Welcome to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to share with you a story that's out of this world, literally. As we speak, NASA is gearing up to launch a rescue mission to save a falling telescope, the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory. This space telescope has been orbiting our planet since 2004, studying gamma-ray bursts and serving as a dispatcher for sudden events in the universe. Imagine a cosmic sentinel, watching over the universe, alerting us to supernovae and other celestial phenomena. That's what the Swift telescope has been doing for nearly 2 decades. But now, its orbit is decaying faster than expected due to the increased atmospheric drag caused by the sun's activity. It's a race against time as NASA teams up with Arizona company Catalyst Space to build a robotic spacecraft called Link, designed to dock with the observatory and tug it to a higher orbit. As we ponder the vastness of space and the complexities of orbital mechanics, let's take a step back and appreciate the sheer scale of this endeavor. We're talking about a telescope that's been in space for over 18 years, collecting data on some of the most extreme events in the universe. And now, we're attempting to rescue it, to extend its lifespan and continue exploring the cosmos. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The launch of the Swift Boost mission is set for June 27th, and it will be carried out by a Northrop Grumman Pegasus, the 40th rocket, launched from a plane called Stargazer. The rocket will freefall for a few seconds before firing its motors and delivering Yank to space in approximately 10 minutes. It's a high-stakes mission, but one that could pay off in a big way, giving us more time to study the universe and unravel its secrets. As we embark on this journey, let's remember that space exploration is not just about the technology or the science, it's about our place in the universe and our responsibility to care for our planet. The Swift telescope has been a faithful companion in our quest for knowledge, and now it's up to us to return the favor. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery that's got astronomers abuzz. Imagine a world, not unlike our own, but with clouds that defy explanation. Clouds made of salt. That's right, folks, salt clouds floating through the atmosphere of a distant object known as GJ 504b, or, as it's come to be called, the pink planet. As we delve into this phenomenon, let's set the stage. GJ 504b is a mysterious entity located about 130 light-years from Earth. It's cold, faint, and incredibly difficult to study, but thanks to the incredible capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers have finally been able to gather some crucial data. The telescope's advanced spectrographic technology has allowed scientists to split the light emanating from GJ 504b into its component colors, revealing a treasure trove of information about its atmosphere. The most striking finding is the presence of salt clouds composed of tiny particles that form when gases cool down and condense into solids or liquids. But these aren't your ordinary clouds. They're made up of alkali metal compounds, like potassium chloride, or perhaps sulfide compounds, like manganese sulfide. The exact composition is still a mystery, but one thing's for sure: this is a truly alien environment. The team behind the study, led by Northwestern University astronomer Anish Babaraj, has made some remarkable discoveries. They found that GJ 504b's atmosphere filters its star's light in a way that leaves a faint, warm tint, giving it a pinkish hue. But here's the thing: despite this new information, the debate over whether the pink planet is indeed a planet or a brown dwarf remains unresolved. If it is a planet, it would be a massive one, weighing about 25 times more than Jupiter. The chemical evidence suggests that it may have formed within a disk of gas and dust around a young star, but there are still too many uncertainties to rule out the possibility that it's a brown dwarf. Whatever its true nature, GJ 504b is an enigmatic world that continues to captivate astronomers and inspire new questions about the formation and evolution of our universe. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, we're reminded that there's still so much to learn and discover. The pink planet is just one of many fascinating objects out there, waiting to be studied and understood. Welcome back to Star Chat. Today, we've been exploring the latest developments in space technology and entrepreneurship. As we wrap up this episode, let's take a look at the recent SpaceX IPO and its potential impact on the industry. The SpaceX IPO has sent shockwaves of excitement throughout the financial world, with the company raising a whopping $85.7 billion and reaching a market cap of over $2 trillion. This valuation has sparked intense debate among investors and analysts, with some questioning whether the company's growth prospects justify its lofty price tag. Despite these concerns, the SpaceX IPO has generated significant enthusiasm for upcoming listings in the space and artificial intelligence sectors. Two companies that are expected to benefit from this momentum are OpenAI and Anthropic, both of which are rumored to be preparing for their own IPOs in the near future. The success of the SpaceX IPO could pave the way for these companies to attract similar levels of investment and attention. With their focus on cutting-edge technologies like AI and space exploration, they may be able to capitalize on the current trend of investors seeking out innovative and disruptive opportunities. As we look to the future, it's clear that the space industry is on the cusp of a new era of growth and exploration. With companies like SpaceX, OpenAI, and Anthropic pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see significant advancements in the years to come. So, will investors be rewarded for their faith in these companies, or will the current valuations prove to be unsustainable? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the future of space technology has never looked brighter. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.